Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to talk about a topic that so many people from small city and village keep asking about how we can improve our English speaking at home even if we live in a village. If you think English can be learned in a big city or expensive coaching classes, then let me tell you, you are absolutely wrong. Because today I'm going to show you how you can become fluent and confident in English sitting right at your home. So let's understand the common problem. So let's be honest. Most people in village and small city, small town, they do not get English speaking environment. That's true. You do not have friends who speak in English. In village, you're surrounded by you. Okay. Teachers may focus only on grammar. If you are studying in school, then teachers may focus on grammars only. And sometimes people even laugh when you try to speak in English. Okay? So remember one thing. No one is born speaking English. Everyone learns it step by step. So if other can do it, you can also do it. So let's discuss the first step. The first step is change your mindset. So here, the first and the most important step is change your mindset. Stop thinking that English is difficult or only for educated people. English is just a language, not a measure of intelligence. You can learn it just you learned your mother tongue by speaking, listening and practicing every single day. So don't afraid of making mistake because mistake means you are trying and trying means you are improving. Here is the second step. Start speaking daily. So you don't need any partner to practice English speaking. You can speak English alone at home. So I know you must be thinking that how. So I'm going to tell you. First, mirror practice. So stand in front of mirror and talk in English. You can start talking about your day. At least 15 or 30 day, you just start talking about your daily routine in front of mirror. Okay. For example, today I woke up early in the morning. I went to washroom. Yeah, I headed to washroom. Okay. I had shower. Okay, I got ready for my office. If you are a housewife, then you can say I prepared food. Okay, I prepared breakfast for my children. Okay, and I helped my children to ready for school. I studied for 2 hours. When you see yourself speaking, your confidence grow day by day. Second one is record yourself. Use your mobile phone. Record your English speaking 1 and 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 5 minutes every day. Okay. Listen your recording. So you will automatically notice your pronunciation and improvement. So these are two simple steps can completely transform your English confidence. Here is the third step. Try to learn 3 or 4, 5 words every day. So learning words doesn't mean memorizing long list. Okay. Learn just 6 words every day. And the most important thing, use that words in your daily life. For example, if I pick a word improve, then you have to make a sentence on that particular words. I want to improve my English. I want to improve my writing. Okay. I want to improve my skill. Such kind of words. Okay. And if I pick second word like confidence, then you can make the sentence like I got confidence in speaking. Okay, I speak with the confidence. Okay, and if I pick third word like opportunity, then everyday opportunity is to learn. Okay, and I got an opportunity to job nearby home, like this. Okay, so write these words in a single paper, stick them around your room, like in front of mirror, door, yeah, you can say on notebook. Okay. So when you see these words every day again and again, then it will naturally remember in your mind. So step 4, think in English. So this step is a game changer. So if you want to speak English fluently, then you must start thinking in English. When you think in your local language, then try to translate that sentence in English. So in starting, you will feel difficult. You will speak slowly, but and make some mistake. Okay, start forming sentence in English in your mind. So for example, instead of thinking मुझे पानी पीना है, okay, think I want to drink water. Instead of thinking I am going to market, think I am going to market. Okay, so at first you may feel difficult, but slowly after few weeks you will start thinking in English automatically. Here is the step 5. Listen to every day. So the more you listen, the more you learn. So start listening to English every day. It could be YouTube video, English story, English song, English podcast. You can also listen and watch cartoon, English cartoon story, and English movie with subtitle. When you listen every day, then your pronunciation, understanding, and accent all improve automatically. So here is the sixth step. Read English aloud. So reading help your tongue get used to English word. So you pick any English newspaper, storybook, article and read it out aloud. Even if you don't understand word, keep reading. Okay? Slowly you will recognize the pattern and sentence structure. So I will recommend you to read children's story and motivational paragraphs. They are so simple and fun. So here is the seventh step. Use English in daily. The best way to learn English is to use it daily. Small start. You can start small, like everyday greeting to your friend, like a good morning. Okay, and you can also start writing WhatsApp status in English. Make to-do list every day in English, and you can also start writing comment on YouTube or social media post. So when you use English in your real life, you stop being afraid of it, and English becomes a natural part of your routine. So my friend, I also come from small village. When I started learning English, I had no one to talk, but I practiced every day in front of mirror, by speaking, by listening, reading, writing, by thinking in English. And slowly my English improved. So if I can do it, you can also do it too. Remember, fluency doesn't come in a day, but it comes to those who never stop practicing. Don't compare yourself with others. Your only competitor is your yesterday version. So if you follow these 7 steps in a 1 month, then you will see the massive improvement in your English. So if you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and also comment, write in comment, I can speak in English confidently. So thanks for watching this video.